Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is introduction of quantum mechanics. First, to understand what is quantum mechanics. The introduction of quantum mechanics was prompted by the failure of classical physics. Means we introduce quantum mechanics after failures of classical mechanics. Means the failure of classical mechanics in explaining a number of microscopic or microphysical phenomena that were observing at the end of 19th and early 20th centuries. Means the classical mechanics now deals microscopic or microphysical phenomena. That is the reason they fail. And after failing, we introduce quantum mechanics. First, to understand what before end of 19th century and 20th century, we include all physicals law, means all physicals law include in classical mechanics. Two theories mainly, the theories of magnetism and thermodynamics. Electromagnetism means the interactions of electric field and magnetic field is known as electromagnetism. And thermodynamics, the relations between heat and energy, these main theory. But classical mechanics predict the dynamic of material bodies, and Maxwell electromagnetism provided proper framework to study radiations. Means two type, radiations and matters. Matter describes in terms of particles, and radiations in terms of waves. Means scientists believe that the ultimate description of nature had been achieved. Means all scientists observed, means all scientists thought, means all physicals law include in classical mechanics, and considered not we further any object we deals without classical mechanics. Means all physical phenomena could be explaining within the frame of general theory of matters and radiation. Means all framework of the general theory of matters and radiations. Mean all phenomena in theories of matters and radiations. But in 20th centuries, at the turns of the 20th centuries, however, classical physics, which had been quite unassailable, was seriously challenged on two major fronts. Means at the turn of 20th century, the classical mechanics challenged on two major fronts, means relativistic domains and microscopic domains. Means these two domains the classical mechanics not deals. What is not better deals? Okay. Relativistic domains. Einstein's 1905. Einstein's 1905 theory of relativity showed that the validity of Newton mechanics is at very high speeds. Means at very high speed, the classical mechanics not deals such subject. They move at a high speed, just like the speed of light. At the speed of light, the classical mechanics and Newton mechanics sees. Classical mechanics also known as Newton mechanics. Mean all Newton mechanics include in classical mechanics. And what is microscopic domains? Microscopic domains, the experiment technique was developed to the point of probing atomic and subatomic. Atomic and subatomic. Means in microscopic domain the atomic and subatomic object deals. Means the particles at high speed and very small. Means the atoms and subatomic like electron, protons we deal in microscopic domains. And also the classical mechanics now deals such subject. They have very small and very high speed. The classical mechanics after failing and or after failing or sees classical mechanics for such object, then scientists introduce quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics. Then quantum mechanics introduce. Means the scientists introduce quantum mechanics for introducing such phenomena. Means like black body radiations, photoelectric effect, and the stability and atomic spectroscopic. These subject only deal with quantum mechanics, not quantum mechanics. And the foundation of quantum mechanics. The foundations of the quantum mechanics were established during the first half of the 20th century by Maxwell, Planck, Einstein, and also the Bohrs, Comptons, and de Broglie. The Maxwell, Planck introduced the concept of the quantums of the energy, and Einstein's photoelectric effect introduced, and also Bohr introduced in 1930s his model of the hydrogen atoms, and Compton's in 1923 corpuscular aspect of light, and de Broglie. What is de Broglie? De Broglie in 1923 he postulated not only does radiation exhibit particles, also behave like waves. Okay, the concept confirms experimental in 1927 by Davison and Germers. And formulation of quantum mechanics. Two formulation of quantum mechanics. First formulations is metric mechanics. The metric mechanics was developed by Heisenberg 1925 to describe atomic structure starting from the observed spectral lines. Means such a subject not dealing by classical mechanics. Means structure of atoms only dealing by metric mechanics is a formulation of quantum mechanics. Means the metric mechanics was very successful in accounting for the discrete energy of discrete quanta of light emitted and absorbed by atoms. Means if light emitted and absorbed by atoms, we introduce discrete quanta, and also waves quanta. Second formulations called wave mechanics was due to the Schrödinger. It is a generalization of the de Broglie postulate. This method is more better than the metric mechanics. Describe the dynamics of microscopic matters by means of waves equation. What is wave equations? Y is xt and a sin theta k x minus omega t plus phi. Y is a vertical position, A is a amplitude, and K is a angular wave numbers, and X is a horizontal positions, and omega is a angular frequency, and phi is a phase. This is wave equations. This is wave equation. Last summary. What is the summary of quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics is the theory that describe the dynamics of matters at microscopic scale. In quantum mechanics, we observe the microscopic object, just like atoms and the speed of light, and also the structure of atom, photoelectric effect, such object or properties we deal in quantum mechanics. It is the and microscopic means the quantum mechanics is only valid framework for describing the microphysical world, and it is a vital for understanding the physics of solid, laser, and the semiconductors, and also plasma. In short, the quantum mechanics is the founding basis of all modern physics. All modern physics like solid state and molecules, atomic, optics, etc. This is the founding base of the modern physics, and also modern physics we deal in a quantum mechanics. Okay, understand?